Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is DK Conquest Construction, part 2 of downtown full condo Reno, 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, kitchen, about 1,400 square feet. If you remember in part 1, there was some tiles down here, so we took those out. As you can see, all the drywall has been taken out here. Steel stud framing in the commercial buildings downtown. I won't go into the specific details and codes for all the building materials, but at least you can see they're slightly different from what you see in your residential environment or homes. Okay, so the bedroom. This is the master bedroom down here. We protected the floor because there's going to be lots of drywall and painting and all that kind of stuff. People bringing stuff in. So just something to keep the floor safe until that painting stage is done. Actually, we'll keep it as long as we can until most of the heavy stuff that's brought in, countertops, whatever they are done. And down here, this is the master bathroom. All tiles are out. Insulator wall, of course, there. Most of the walls are actually insulated in the commercial building, obviously, for noise and everything like that in between the suites. This is where our vanity is going to be. We're not going to have any wall light there. Like I said, we're going to have recessed lights up there. We'll get rid of that fan, get rid of that big old light fixture, and have 6 recessed lights. That's where there's going to be a shower base right there. Back out to the master bedroom. Remember the old mirrors that were out there? We took those mirrors out. Just massive. These are big mirrors that cover the entire wall from there to there. So massive mirrors. They can be a problem taken out, so be careful anybody try to take these mirrors out because they can shatter. With a lot of stress. On to bedroom number 2. We didn't do too much here. Obviously the floor is going to be, it needs to be vacuumed and cleaned here. These are some of the furniture that the clients own. There's not much in this room, as I mentioned before, just painting. There'll be a painting job here, and that's it. And putting the baseboards back in. The closet doors, obviously. Put some new closet doors. And there will be a custom shelf back there. That red wall, need to prime that one and paint that one to a lighter color that the client wants. On to bathroom number 2. We're keeping the floor tiles. That was in their budget to keep the floor tiles. Everything inside the tub is staying. This was one of the walls that was textured or wallpapered, and we just took it out. If you guys ever have any wallpaper removing issues, just take the drywall out. It'll make it easier. Drywall's cheap these days and inexpensive to finish, obviously with the right people. That toilet will be coming out. We're just keeping that one here till we don't need it anymore. That's the vanity right there. Okay. So all these walls were textured onto the hallway here. All these walls were had wallpaper or a texture on them. We wanted to get the walls smooth again, smooth walls. So instead of trying to do the scraping and moistening and all that labor and time that a lot of people think they can do, it's not as easy. It's not very easy, especially not knowing what kind of adhesive they had behind the product to glue it on there. Okay, so we'll leave the kitchen out for now. Come out to the living room. All these walls, every one of these walls was all textured or wallpapered. We won't be doing anything in that solarium right there. That's where we're going to be. We've been storing some of our tools. Now on the floor, the client is still trying to decide between a very good laminate, a high-end laminate, or engineered hardwood floors. So sometimes the cheaper engineered hardwood floors are just not as good as the better laminate. You'll get a better look in laminate. There's so many advantages to having engineered hardwood floors. You can read on that one online. There's quite a few advantages of having those. Into the kitchen. There's a sliding door into the kitchen here. We're keeping all that stuff here. No change. The floor will continue into the kitchen here. And right now it's all completely all cabinets out. I'm going to try and keep the same layout. And this side will have, okay, as I was saying, on this side there will be a built-in, completely full of cabinets, head to toe right here. There'll be a fridge on the left-hand side there, and just cabinets all the way to the ceiling. That particular door was a 30-inch door. We're going to bring that down because the cabinets the clients ordered they'll be longer than that wall. So I had to bring that door size down so that the cabinets can fit. Coming down to the laundry room here, no change. We'll just change the countertop there. And sink and faucet. That's pretty much it. And we will replace the washer and dryer. They're out there. And put them right there. And that's it. Thanks for watching part 2 of DK Conquest construction, full condo reno, downtown Vancouver. Thank you.